Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for March 11th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair surged to the upside on Friday, closed higher. We are still looking for it to move higher, potentially going up to 83.00 and hitting some resistance there, possibly moving down and hitting support around 81.75. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair we've saw it drop down, almost broke some previous areas of support, didn't quite get there. We are still looking for this pair to potentially move to the downside. However, if we get a reversal, look for it to go up to 133.44, possibly down to 129.46. Look for some resistance around 132.75 and look for some support around 130.95. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged to the downside, didn't quite break some areas of previous support. Look for this pair to potentially go up to 158.92, possibly as low as 155.18. Look for some resistance around 157.50 and look for some support around 156.25. Now the US Swiss, this pair surged to the upside, closed higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.9312, possibly as low as 0.9026. Look for some resistance around 0.9225 and look for some support around 0.9075. Okay, no news announcements going into this next session, so don't have to be concerned about that. No major news anyway. We do have somewhat of a head and shoulders formation that's formed here. Draw your trend line, looking for a break to the downside. I do believe we'll get that. We do have a strong area of support here, basically looking to short around the 130.92 mark and looking for it to come on down, probably down to the as far down as 129.71. Now if you want to be a little more conservative, you can see that you can bring that up just a little bit to about the 1.3025 mark, maybe a little bit closer. We have previous areas, as you can see here, as well as here, of support at that level. You could very easily go to break even once it does hit that and see if it will come on down a little bit further for you. Looking to short 130.92. Coming down, looking to maybe go to break even or exit. It's up to you at 130.24. And then finally an exit at 129.73. I do believe we'll see a surge to the downside during this next session. I'd use a risk to reward of 1-to-1 off of this first move. So if we get a break there of about 68 pips, I'd put a stop loss about 68 pips, maybe 70 right above this high that we had previously, and look for it to drop down. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.